Happy December 21st. Hey, Nutmeg's the first to join the party today. Where's the 21st? Right there. Holiday bells. Hello, Jack. Good morning to you. That's some pepperminty? Pepperminty? Danny? That's a really good one. I'm a little slow this morning. It's earlier than normal because we gotta go to a deli before it gets crazy busy. There you go. An apple one we've had 20 times. I'm gonna kind of go hurry here. All right, where is the 21st window? Here's the 22nd. There it is. Hey, Jack, what are you doing? Come over here. Open this window for me. Honey, you want to open it? Oh, I think it's a Santa Claus. And it is. It's a pink Santa Claus. That's cute. Kinda. His eye's missing, but that's fine. It's a Cyclops Santa Claus. Let's be honest. This is all they care about. Is this what you guys are waiting on? Is this what you're waiting on? Yep. You're a little predictable. All right, today's the 21st. So no, that's not. That's the 25th. Where is the 21st? Scooch out of my way so I can. Where is it? You guys are blocking it. Right there. Here it is. We want this one right here. And what is it today? Oh, good. It's the fishies. Oh, did I ask? Oh, we're already done with the 16. All right, let me get this open for you guys. Hold on one second. All right, I grabbed them before they could do anything. One for you, honey. There you go, Jack. There you go, Sage. There you go, Nutmeg. There you go, Sally. Right there. And then, come on, Danny. Danny, I got 2 left for Felix and Pepper, wherever they're at. Sorry, you guys only get 1 today. I know. I need to get like 20 cat advent calendars next year. Felix, do you think you can eat it this time? I got one for you. Come here and try to eat it. Can Felix eat his treat before someone else tries to steal it? Look, swarming. They're already swarming. No, Felix, you gotta eat it. Come on, you got this. You got this. Did you get it? No. Oh, Felix, come on. Come on, you can eat it. I'm pushing away the kittens. He's sniffing it. He's thinking about it. Come on. Did you get it? Oh, Felix. You just not like, okay. I'm sorry. Jack's the winner. Honey, here. I'll give Pepper something else. She's hiding. I'm sorry, Felix. We gotta teach you how to eat treats. This looks like a lot of cats, doesn't it? Because it is. It is a lot of cats. I love them. Don't get me wrong. I love them. But I do feel like I'm running a cat daycare. Now we're gonna do my favorite advent calendar, the pop-up tree. Not edible, so you guys can just mosey on along. We're looking for the 21st. Nope, you go away. 21st. This was the 20th. Right here. Right here, and I think it opens. Nope, Jack. I'm trying to figure out how the 21st opens. This side. And it's this, I don't know what he's called. Scary mouse guy. Look at that. What do you guys think? Right there. Sorry to it's not edible, but it's pretty, isn't it? Pretty. Okay, no, he doesn't think so. He's biting me. This is how you treat me. You're never gonna get adopted like this, Jack. You're so mean. How are you gonna get adopted when you're so mean?